Friday night. Time to start a row and cause a fight. I lost politely, courtesy your ID. I'm acting hard cause I'm standing with the lads. Gonna piss you off and get you mad. You can't persuade us. No fucking trainers! Your name's not Dan, so go fuck off. Your skirt's too short and we can see your muff. You're way too pissed, mate, and rules are rules. Come back when you can grow some pubes. My word is final, and that is that you're not coming in, mate, you're dressed like a twat. And if you start, you're going down. You know that I got the power right now. I'm on 1050 an hour. Yes, I am a backside. You're not getting past my door. I'm hard and there ain't nobody higher. If I do not like ya, just turn around and go home. You're not getting past my door. I'll check you out before you get in here. Empty your pockets, gonna take all of your gear. We'll confiscate it, and then we'll fucking take it. Don't get me wrong, I love my job. I get all the birds to suck on me knob. But wait, hold up, you get nothing if I can see your tampon string. Don't mess with me, mate, I've been to the gym. You're pissing me off, mate, you're doing my head in. Not too close, mate, your breath smells of arse. You know that I got the